1985, and I was in the jungles of the Philippines. And we all decided at that time if we could ever help a Marine out, whether you could buy him a beer in a bar, whether you could offer him a job. Fast forward 30 years, one of our people said, hey, we should give back. And we came up with Semper Cares, and we've been giving back, started Alpha Bravo Charlie, like a good Marine does. So we're on 26 alphabet letters.
The whole thing has been a blessing.
Getting Semper Solaris to work on my house, everything that they've been doing, like the veteran connection that they have, a Marine here and a Marine here, and everybody that's been working on my house, a lot of veterans are hired by Semper Solaris.
Just tears of joy.
It felt like I won the lottery.
They were the nicest people I've ever met.
About Semper by my wife, because she had nominated me to this Semper Cares Initiative. Kelly called me, then we started talking, and it's veterans giving to veterans.
Thank you, Semper Solaris, for the new solar panels.
Yeah, it's really cool that it's my own brethren doing this for.
If it brings my wife to tears, I don't even know how to begin to thank you.
For her to be singled out and acknowledged when her whole life has been about caring for veterans, it was significant.
On behalf of female veterans, thank you, because sometimes they're a population that aren't recognized.
The fact that it's a veteran-owned company with sensitivity to veterans, that's a good thing.
I really appreciate what Semper Solaris has been doing for back so many years.
This was a godsend, should I say.
I can say one thing to Semper is thank you, and for all that you do for everybody.
That trust is automatically there as a veteran.
I was shocked that he was chosen. I know he doesn't think he's deserving, but he's done a lot of amazing stuff, and he just does a lot for everybody.
I'd like to thank from the bottom of my heart John Allman and Kelly Shawhan.
Everyone on the Semper team has been absolutely wonderful.
On Memorial Day, and we are celebrating Memorial Day, but we're also celebrating Angel Torres, a veteran of the Army who's just about to get one of the best roofs and solar systems you could get from Semper Solaris.
Semper Fi, I really appreciate. It's a wonderful thing that you're doing for me.
You have been a blessing, not only with the product, but also with the people that work in your company.
I've had 3 children in the military. They're all people of valor. Amy has fought every battle with bravery.
We are the Semper Cares event where we take care of a vet, and we're here to donate to this fantastic veteran, some free solar. There's a bunch of people here, a bunch of our family members are here.
This is the biggest project we've ever taken on. What we're doing here is we're re-roofing 10 buildings, along with the help of volunteering and beacon distributors.
We've got a new roof that was put in by Semper Solaris. And I am telling you, when the roofs went on, the cottages came to life. They really started to breathe and look like they're going to look for our warriors.
My hats are off to you for giving back to the veterans. Please keep up the good work.
It's nice to be appreciated after going through what I went through.
We still celebrate Father's Day.
His birthday. I think it's been really helpful to keep him alive in our memories rather than trying to forget.
Learning that I was a recipient of Project Zulu humbled me. Didn't realize such a program was available, that we even had a shot being considered since we're a surviving family. Thank you so much for the generosity of Semper Solaris.